Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Centers here in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilts here on YouTube. One thing I always forget to say is please like and please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We're almost to 25,000 subscribers, which is very humbling. It's just awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Today, this one's a Pull Me Over Red 2022 Peterbilt 389. Extended hood with a 72-inch flat top, and I'm telling you, this is red. Unbelievable. This is what you call bright red. Big red truck. I mean, it's red. Looks like you can stick your arm into it. The Peterbilt red's pretty nice too, but this is much brighter. Just a beautiful color. Non-metallic, so it'll be real easy to touch up. It's good looking color. Either love red or hate red. That's kind of what it seems to be. 280-inch wheelbase. Got a 13.2 steer axle. 11R 22.5 tires. This is also an air ride steer axle. Michelin XVE2s. Looks like on the steer axle. Those are probably a 16 ply. Here's your master disconnect for your batteries, and you can actually lock that if you want. We always put 4 batteries in them here. Polished aluminum air tank. And there's your block heater. Polished def cover there. This one's a little bit different. This is not a truck that I ordered. Mark ordered this one. It's got 4 straps on the fuel tank. Some guys prefer that, like that. Aluminum toolbox access steps, so when you add those on, you get these bars on the back of the sleeper as well with the catwalk. And a fuel shutoff valve for returning things. Sometimes they don't equalize correctly when they return when you got 2 different size fuel tanks. So this one also has tank heaters, S-bar heater. You can see the air horns in underneath there. Sliding rear window with 6 load lights. And as we like to do here in Greeley, we like the antennas on the back of the sleeper, CB and radio. Hogue built 30-inch drop quarter fenders, nice and polished. Michelin XDN2s on the rear, 11R 22.5s. Have real good luck with these tires. Very nice. Fontaine fifth wheel. We normally order Holland. If the factory's out of Holland, they give us Fontaine. It looks like Peterbilt Low air leaf suspension. Disc brakes all the way around. And there's right there, that's the line for the full lockers. So it's got locking diffs. LED lights in the rear cross members. Outboard mount fifth wheel. These are all very similar, you know, the guys that do subscribe, these are very similar to what we normally bring in here. Toolbox. Here's a 150-gallon tank with 4 straps. That's just a personal preference deal. I prefer 2, but this guy wanted 4. And the tank could be a little, that's the way the tank comes from Peterbilt polished. I'd like to see a little more polished. The after treatment looks fantastic. It looks really good. We added a 14-inch drop visor and 2 extra lights on the top, and then we make all those lights clear. Now when we turn those lights on, they're all amber. So, and this gentleman is gonna take it home. He's gonna, right here is, they're all pre-wired. So when we put the lights on in front of the air breather and behind the air breather, and even internal in the air breather, everything just plugs into here. And that's a Metropack. Keeps all the moisture out. Everything's good. Very easy to install your own lights on these. There's your 2 airbags on this side with a load leveling valve here. Disc brakes. Hot side of the engine here. Cummins X15. This one's a 565 2050 torque. And this truck does have the new dash. It's sad, but the old dashes are gone. Cannot get them anymore. So it's a 565 2050. Davco fuel filter. Got the remote lube bank there. Airbags. Leveling valve. Disc brakes. All wrapped up and pull me over red. These are the new aero mirrors that we like to run. Very functional, way less wind noise. They don't look quite as traditional, but they're so functional that we really don't want to go back to the old moto mirrors. That's what you call red. I'll take you inside here. Platinum interior, black floor carpet, Sears 80 seats in black as well. The Sears 80 seats, those center armrests do not fold away, so it's a little tight getting through here to get to the back. Fired up. So you can do, with the new digital dash, you can select several different, you can make that thing look completely different. So there's the new smart wheel. There's our B panel. These switches now over here must be ordered in groups of 4. I don't like it. I get it from a manufacturing standpoint. You just have blocks of 4 that you put in. So I get it, I understand, but don't like it. But AM, FM's, well, I say CD player. I'm so used to saying that over all the years. Nobody uses those anymore, I guess. Guess I'm getting old. This replaces the old Johnson bar right here. 18-speed transmission. I believe this one's 336 gears. Factory CB Cobra. Got some cans there. We had to clean this one ourselves. Mark did anyway. 72-inch flat top sleeper with a sliding rear window. Sleeper controls. S-bar heater. Bunk heater. Whatever you want to call it. Extra power outlet. Old cigarette lighter. There's the passenger side, little storage up there, storage up there. I don't know if this one has the business center or not. Yeah, it does. Business center there. And this side will be a closet with a little storage above it. So I just wanted to take a minute, show you guys this one. All in pull me over red. Get through here. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll give you one last look at it. Oh, and I was going to check the weight. The weight on this one, it's right there, 18,726. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. It's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877 or Couch K, COUCHK @rushenterprises.com. Take care. Merry Christmas.